Iyo. And meron pa 100 pesos. Kaya congratulations. Ito naman. Oh, di ba para kumain na siya ng spaghetti? Okay, so happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, sabay na kasama mo ba? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Kaya pwede ka baguhin ang Black Green Tea Tatak Ruski. Congratulations. Ano masasabi mo kay Ate Kate? Happy birthday. Okay, so start na po tayo ng ating
Ayaw mo mag-ano?
Naiya pa nga si Rod. Dance! Dance! Uy! Uy! Uy!
Okay. Palakpakan po natin si Daddy! That when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father another dance with you.
Love ka ni Tita Kim.
Riley, sana lumaki kang hindi mahiyain at maganda at mabait.
Thank you so much.
Hey Riley, happy birthday. Sana lagi ka tulad kay mama. Happy birthday.
Ayan, palakpakan.
Happy birthday, Ryan. Sana paglaki mo, magkaroon ka ng takot sa Diyos. And sana, yun lang. Happy birthday.
Last, lahat po ng...
Ang aking nararamdaman Yeah, feel good Huwag mo nang mahihiwalay Kung maintindihan Feels like a rainbow in the sky Oh, I feel good Pag hawak mo ang aking kamay I'm in paradise Oh, I'm in paradise Para bang nasa ulap Ikaw ang pinapangarap Ikaw ang nasa isip Naman napanaginip I feel good I feel good I feel good every time that I'm with you Ayaw kumalas ang aking pagtingin sa'yo Oo, ayaw nang mahiwalay Kahit na panghabang buhay na mag-iintay Always, di na pala makapaghintay Sabik na sa iyong pag
Happy birthday